before we get started, click like, comment, turn on case, and give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'll be showing you how to make nature soup. So let's get started. Eyes. Oopsie. Oopsie daisy. Let's go. Okay. So now that we're
Well, I don't care about that. I told you I'm satisfied for life. You gotta take it.
you need pine straw. And some dirt. So put that on there together. Spray it a little bit. Like this. Until the soil, not dirt, but soil gets all wet and gets muddy. And then stir it around. And once you see the inside of it, that it's not wet, spray it again. And then mix it all up again. Keep on stirring, yeah. If you're wondering what are these white little things are, you're about to find out. So I'm gonna go jump in.
We welcome those of you who just saw Atlanta defeat San Francisco 28-14. You look it up if you're an Atlanta fan at Tampa Bay, the NFC South, right now they're trailing here in Pittsburgh with the ball back.
So, she doesn't know, no one knows. It looks like a crystal robot. And then, once you see the dry part, just do what you did last time. And then, once all the dry part is out, just stir it one more time. And then put it all together, and then you'll see what's in it. You can fast forward the video anytime. Ah! There's more dry spots. I'm gonna make mine from this to put it all mixed because mixed isn't even a word. If you guys think mixed is a word, mixed is a word, comment down below, not comment, comment. Okay. I'm gonna clean this side. Spray it again. If you think I'm left-handed, no, I'm right-handed. And then once it looks like this, all wet up. Okay, now rinse that side you were mixing with. And then use the tiny part like this. Or the other side to scoop it up like this.
69 yards today, but that was a good run by Harris to get it to 2nd and 2.
So I made some over here off camera. So I'm going to mix that off all together with it. Okay, now I'm gonna spray it one more time just in case. And and then put it all together like so.
Mason Cole with a bad snap.
Mhm.
Earlier briefly with an injury. Miscue there sets him up at 3rd and 6.
And then take the pine straw out. I know this might sound weird, but just take it out. But first, rinse your thing, your spoon or something. Okay, now that mine is all clean, put it to the side. Take all the pine straw out. And then you don't have to take all. At least it's like a lot. And then spray it. And then take your thing again. And then mix it all up. And then mash it up like this. Mash, 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 mash.
Tampa Bay's going to go ahead and take their first time out.
And then you're going to want to wash it off
Think about Mitch Trubisky
like this.
and all the people who from the beginning wanted Kenny Pickett. Kenny Pickett finally becomes the starter, but Trubisky has come in there and made some really nice throws. He's really
Okay. Now, spray your soil and then mash it up also. Smash, 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 smash. Smash, smash, smash. Smash, 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 smash. Mash, mash, mash. Mama, mash. Mash, mash. Mama, mash. Mash, mash. Mama, mash. And then get it all back together. Get all the soil back together because I know the soil might be crazy like how mine is being. So, just put that all back together. Into a circle shape. Okay? And then spray it again. Smash it again. And then put it all back together to a circle. Like that. And then separate it. Like this.
The officials did not bite. It sets up a 3rd and 11.
And do the same thing to your pine straw right here. Don't put it into a circle. Then part it. And then you're going to want to take one side of the pine straw and then dunk it into the, what's it called? Soil. Yeah, soil. And then flip it over like that. Like that. And then put it off to the side, like right here. And then do the same to the other, on the other one. Take it up, flip it. And then put it over here. Take all of the soil and then put it on top.
And the clock runs down to the 2-minute warning, and all Tom Brady can do right now is watch.
And there you go, your soup. Nature soup. You can do this anywhere, but not in the house. Outside, because it will be a big mess like this. Don't do it on a carpet either, inside or outside, because look, it will get all like this.